Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Asa Life. So today is the day. After so much planning, so much discussion, all bookings, and today we are going to fly Japan with V3 together. So it's a 14 hours journey from Dubai to Tokyo. We'll be having one layover at China for 3 hours. So from here we'll be going from Dubai to China, Shanghai airport. There we'll be having 3 hours layover, and from there again we have a 3 hours flight from Shanghai to Tokyo. So today our journey will start. So let's go.
Hi everyone, boarding done, finally taking off from Dubai airport and heading towards Shanghai airport, China in the morning. So see you in Shanghai and let's continue our exciting journey together.